Hi children, once again I am welcoming my YouTube channel. The channel name is AY channel at the Physics Science Maths. The channel is aimed stress-free education. Hope you might have seen I am providing you physics videos, science videos, maths videos for classes CBSE, state, icse, ise students, especially for entrance examinations like engineering, neet, and other competitive examinations. Let's directly start our physics symbol for subscribing. Let's start ray optics. Ray optics, the topics which I already given you in a previous videos. Reflection is over, refraction is over, principle of reversibility is also completed up to total internal reflection, the spherical surface assumptions also completed. Now today I am going to concentrate on lens maker formula, which is very important, and every question paper in physics it is coming. So children, please see the properly understand the concept. Now let's start animation. This animation is, say this is the convex lens, double convex lens. Both side we have here convex surface, and either side it is air. Now you can see refractive index here N1, this is N2, and refractive index of the glass is N2. N1, N1, N2. N1 is air, N1 is air, again N2. Now let's start drawing the geometrical diagram. One ray which is passing exactly center of the lens, which is called principal axis. So now let us indicate that few important points over here. C is the center of curvature, and P1, P2 the centers of either side of the convex surface, but all the measurements will be taken from the C. C2 is the center of curvature of the radius, center of curvature of the second surface. C1 is the center of curvature of the first surface. Then here is the object O. Object is from object, light object, point object, very negligible size, and the ray, first ray which is going and falling on the first surface and refracted and form a image at I1 as it is extended. So this image will be act as virtual image for the second surface. So through second surface, when it will get refracted, you can see it is going to meet at final image at I. So this is over. This is normals which we have drawn. Then I is the angle of incidence, and first surface. This is the equation we'll get from refraction through first spherical surface. N1 by CO plus N2 by C1 is equal to mu2 minus mu1 C1. Similarly, if you go for second surface, we will get this equation. And the derivation I am not much concentrating. Nowadays, these derivations are not coming. It will be only used for board examination, but competitive examination, formulas and how to use the formula, that is my aim. So when you add this to both, then one is going to get cancelled. You will get this equation using sign convention. Final image is this. Final image is going to form here. This is the final image is going to form. So a final equation, 1 by minus u plus 1 by v is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by mu1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So here you can say this is a lens equation 1 by f. This is when you are dividing mu1, it will be finally comes mu1 if you get cancelled, mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 and 1 by r2. R1, R2s are shown in the figure. R1 is the radius of curvature of the first surface. R2 is the radius of curvature of the second surface. Let's start the problem. The problem is here. Biconvex lens is made of glass with a refractive index of 1.5. The radius of curvature of its two surfaces are 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Calculate the focal length. Hope this question is clear. Let us go for solution. That solution I am showing you on the hydro board. Here is the solution hydro board. You can see here, and I am just going to start now using diagram. So what are the things are given here? The things are given here a convex lens, which just now I shown you, right? And then let's draw the diagram. How to draw the diagram? Using this help of the hydro board properties, one can easily draw the diagram. So first, let's say this is the straight line. Take one place is the center of curvature and make it perpendicular line. This is your lens, right? And two curved surfaces are there. One is this one, convex surface. Okay, for this radius of curvature is this side. This is the radius of curvature R1, and another surface, if you take convex lens, another surface, if you take the other surface, right? So that will be that radius is other side. So you can see here again the other side is this side. So this will be again we will getting another one is R1 and R2. Since R1 is since R1 is right side, it is positive according to sign conventions. Right? So let's indicate this very simple to calculate. This is R1. R1 is how much is given in the question. It would be 20 centimeters. Right? 20 centimeters. Right? I hope you understood this surface. This surface 20 centimeter. And then another one is given 30 centimeter. R2 is given 30 centimeter. Right? Hope you understood this. As I have shown you, R1, R2 and focal length. So focal length is how much, refractive index is how much? Mu. Mu is already, or you can say is N. In the textbook it is given as N. N is N2 by N1, N1 is 1, it will become 1.5. So the equation is what just now I taught you, 1 by F is equal to 1 by N1 bracket N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Question is very easy, but calculation is very difficult for average and below average. So now we need to calculate what is F. How to calculate F for when these all things are given, just substitute. When you substitute, what you will get here, 1 by F is equal to 1.5 minus 1, right, into 1 by R1. R1 is how much? It is positive. So 20 minus 1 by R2. R2 is left side. So what is the sign conventions I told you earlier? It will be minus. If it is the right side, it will be plus, right? So according to this sign conventions, what I should write here, R2 will become minus 30. Okay. So After getting solving is very easy. 1.5, it will become my zero point 0.5. Okay, bracket. Here you can take it LCM or make it this minus into minus plus. It will become on the top. It will become plus 1 by 30. So now you can see here 1 by f is equal to this. So what happens here? 1.5. Okay, bracket 20 30 LCM you can take. Many students in 12th class they know LCM, so that will become 60. When it is 60 divided by 20, it will become 3 year, plus 60 divided by 30, it will become 2 year. Then you will get, so you can calculate your LCM how to calculate. That also I will tell you. Here 20 30, make it, then you will get 2 times, it will become, 10 15. Again if you go for 5 times, it will become 2 5 3 5 3. So then you will get your 2 2 3. So 2 3 6 6 30 30 plus 2, 30 plus 2 60. So like that LCM you have to take. Then finally what you will get here? Zero point 0.5 into 5 divided by 60. So that is 1 by f. So 1 by f can be written as, what you can write, 60 divided by 5 5 is 25, 2.5. So that is 600 divided by 25, because point I am removing, then you will get here 24. So what is your focal length? Positive. So where you will get to focal length here? When a parallel beam falls on it, or it will be going to refract at one of the place. That place is your focus. That focus is f. The distance from the lens to the focus, it will be equal to focal length. Since it is coming positive, convex lens has focal length is positive. So here is once again for your reference, it is given R1 R2 on this equation. And hope this is very simple explanation which I have done. If the content is good, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, children.